I'm so excited to show you my most expensive shoes. Before we start, if you like this kind of videos, remember to subscribe my channel and click in the ring if you want be notified from YouTube about my new coming videos. So let's start. I'm gonna tell you that I'm so excited to start unpacking the box. I do it this just for you guys, and more videos will come that I'm gonna show you more and more about me. Okay, so first feeling is a box like box. So let's open now. And bah, I see shoes. That's the shoes in the little bags. These bags definitely we will need if we'll be traveling. But what do you have more here? One extra pair, and the books. It's just general information. One book, second book, fourth book, 5 books with different languages. So let's unpacking the shoes. The story is good because I'm planning to buy these shoes a very long time ago, and I bought a few months ago, but it was kind of difficult to pay that much for shoes. But when I unpacking is the feelings. Wow, look this black leather, which I like. I really love it, black leather. Yeah, this is what would you think? Smells like leather. This type of sneakers are very light, so let me put this here and open this one. Wow, the same feelings when you're taking out from the cover. You first what you feel the smell of the shoes. Smells of leather. And now guys, I'm gonna do it this to you. I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is the thing that you need to see. Okay, look this, the logo here. Yeah, give me a second and I will show you how it looks when I wear these shoes. Special for the review, I want to tell you one more thing, that it's my first and probably last expensive shoes, so that much I'm more excited. Wow. Okay, so look now. It's so beautiful. That's front. That's from side. That's from back. So that's my review about the shoes. If you like these shoes, if you're thinking about to buy, don't think, just go and buy. If you like Gucci, which for me is the most unique, go buy. You will see what you will feel, how you will feel so good. And also you will have the shoes for a couple of years and you will feel very special when you wear this kind of shoes. So if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel or click link above to see more videos about reviews. Thank you for today and see you in next video.